Let's use Visual Prompt Generator to create advanced embedded applications inside NECTO Studio. First, navigate to the Productivity Hub and open the Visual Code Generator wizard. Begin by selecting your hardware setup. Then, assign the clipboards you plan to use. For example, let's start with a small TFT-based click to serve as our display output. Next, you can use the Filter section to quickly find and assign other clipboards for your application. Go ahead and select your second, third, fourth, and final clipboard. Once that is done, specify where the data should be displayed. In our case, we will use the TFT Click we added earlier. Now, start generating the project. NECTO will automatically create a project tailored to your hardware's configuration. The underlying prompt looks like this. Create an example where data from clipboards on MicroBus 2 through MicroBus 5 is displayed on a TFT Click on MicroBus 1. Along with the code, step-by-step user instructions are provided to guide you through setup and deployment. Simply copy the generated code from the Visual Code Generator and paste it into NECTO's code editor. Then, head to the Library Manager and make sure all necessary clipboard libraries are installed. Once everything is in place, build the project and you are done. That's how easy it is to go from hardware selection to working embedded code using NECTO Studio's Visual Code Generator.